Picture this. You're hosting a lively cocktail party, and your guests are raving about their perfectly chilled drinks, complete with soft, chewable nugget ice that elevates every sip. Or maybe you're winding down after a long day, craving an iced coffee that stays cold without watering down. This Totnz Nugget ice maker countertop makes these moments effortless, producing 44 pounds of pebble ice daily in just 7 minutes per cycle. With its self-cleaning function, 12-hour timer, and sleek stainless steel design, this portable ice maker is a must-have for homes, offices, and parties. Let's explore why the Totnz Nugget ice maker is the ultimate solution for ice lovers. Solving ice-making pain points. Running out of ice during a gathering or relying on store-bought bags can be a hassle. The Totnz Nugget ice maker tackles these common problems with ease. No more ice shortages. Producing 44 pounds of ice daily, this machine ensures you'll never run out, even during large parties or hot summer days. No trips to the store. Say goodbye to heavy, expensive ice bags. Enjoy fresh, chewable ice at home, ready in just 7 minutes. No tedious cleaning. The self-cleaning function eliminates manual scrubbing, keeping your ice maker hygienic with minimal effort and no complicated controls. The intuitive touch panel with clear indicator lights makes operation a breeze, even for first-time users. This Nugget ice maker delivers convenience, speed, and quality, transforming how you enjoy chilled drinks and snacks. Let's dive into its standout features. Key features that set Totnz apart. The Totnz Nugget ice maker is engineered for performance and ease, packed with features that cater to modern lifestyles. Here's what makes it shine. High-capacity ice production. Churns out 44 pounds of ice per day, with the first batch of chewable nugget ice ready in just 7 minutes. Perfect for cocktails, smoothies, or chilled seafood. 12-hour timer for scheduling. Set the ice maker to start producing ice exactly when you need it, whether for a morning coffee or an evening party. Soft, chewable nugget ice. Unlike traditional cubes, pebble ice is soft, crunchy, and enhances drink flavors, ideal for specialty beverages and food chilling. Intuitive control panel. Features a touch interface with 4 illuminated indicators: blue for self-cleaning, green for full basket, red for low water, white for ice production, for effortless operation. Automatic self-cleaning. A 15-minute cleaning cycle ensures fresh, hygienic ice and extends the machine's lifespan with minimal maintenance. Large capacity design. Holds 2.6 pounds of ice and 2 L of water, reducing the need for frequent refills during busy gatherings. Sleek stainless steel build. The compact, portable design, 9.84 by 15.04 by 16.54 inches, 26.46 pounds. Fits seamlessly in kitchens, offices, or bars with a modern aesthetic. Quiet operation. Operates at less than 45 dB, ensuring minimal disruption in homes or offices, unlike noisier competitors. These features combine to create a countertop ice machine that's both powerful and user-friendly, perfect for any setting. Top benefits of the Totnz Nugget ice maker. Why choose the Totnz over other ice makers? Here are 3 key benefits that make it a game changer. Instant ice for any moment. With 7-minute ice production and a 44 pounds per day capacity, you'll always have fresh, chewable ice ready for drinks or snacks, no matter the occasion. Low maintenance convenience. The self-cleaning function and intuitive controls save time and effort, ensuring hygienic ice without the hassle of manual upkeep. Versatile and portable. Its compact, stainless steel design and chewable pebble ice make it perfect for home kitchens, offices, bars, or parties, enhancing every drink experience. These benefits make the Totnz Nugget ice maker a standout choice for anyone seeking quality, convenience, and style. Who's the ideal user? The Totnz Nugget ice maker is designed for a variety of lifestyles, making it a versatile addition to any setting. Party hosts. Keep drinks flowing with chewable ice for cocktails, mocktails, or sodas, ensuring guests stay refreshed at barbecues, birthdays, or holiday gatherings. Home bar enthusiasts. Elevate your mixology with nugget ice that's perfect for specialty drinks, from mojitos to iced lattes, without diluting flavors. Office professionals. Stock break rooms with fresh ice for coffee, water, or after-work drinks, all in a compact, quiet machine that fits small spaces. small kitchen owners. The space-saving design is ideal for apartments or dorms, fitting neatly on countertops without sacrificing performance. Ice chewers. If you love crunching ice, the soft, chewable nuggets are a satisfying treat that won't harm your teeth, perfect for daily indulgence. Whether you're chilling drinks or snacking on ice, this machine adapts to your needs with ease. Pros and cons of the Totnz Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. Pros. Fast ice production. Delivers 44 pounds of chewable nugget ice daily, with first batch in 7 minutes. Chewable pebble ice. Soft, Sonic-style ice enhances drinks without quick dilution. Self-cleaning. 15-minute automatic cycle ensures hygienic ice with minimal effort. 12-hour timer. Schedules ice production for convenience. User-friendly. Intuitive touch panel with clear indicator lights. Compact and portable. 9.84 by 15.04 by 16.54 inches. 26.46 pounds. Ideal for small spaces or travel. Quiet. Operates at less than 45 dB. Perfect for homes or offices. Stylish. Stainless steel design adds modern flair. Cons. No freezer. Ice melts back into reservoir. Requires freezer storage. Single color. Only available in stainless steel. Water refills. 2L tank may need frequent refills during heavy use. Learning curve. Timer and cleaning may require initial manual reference at hands-on experience. Does it deliver? I tested the Totnz Nugget Ice Maker in multiple scenarios: a family barbecue, a quiet office afternoon, and a cozy movie night, and it exceeded expectations every time. Setup was simple. Fill the 2L water tank, select the ice-making mode, and within 7 minutes, I had a batch of soft, chewable nuggets ready for my iced tea. The pebble ice was a hit, with its crunchy texture enhancing everything from lemonade to whiskey sours. The 12-hour timer was a game changer. I set it to start before a party, and by the time guests arrived, the 2.6 lb basket was brimming with ice. The self-cleaning feature was equally impressive. Just press a button, and in 15 minutes, the machine was spotless, ready for the next use. At 45 dB, it was quieter than my coffee maker, making it unobtrusive in both my kitchen and office. 1 consideration. Like most countertop ice makers, it doesn't store ice long-term, so unused ice melts back into the reservoir. Transferring extras to a freezer bag solved this easily, and the continuous ice-making cycle kept the supply steady. The stainless steel finish looked sleek on my counter, blending seamlessly with other appliances, and the compact size made it easy to move for outdoor events. How Totnz compares to competitors. Compared to models like the GE Profile Opal or Frigidaire Gallery, the Totnz holds its own. Its 44 pounds per day output matches top-tier models, and the 7-minute cycle is faster than many competitors' 10 to 15 minutes. The self-cleaning function and 12-hour timer are rare features, offering convenience that budget models lack. While some users report noise issues with similar machines, the Totnz 45 dB operation is notably quiet, and its stainless steel build adds durability and style. Customer feedback highlights the chewable ice quality and ease of use, though some note occasional noise during heavy use, which I didn't experience. The 1-year warranty and responsive customer support add confidence, making this a reliable choice. The Totnz Nugget Ice Maker worth it. The Totnz Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is a game-changer for anyone who loves chewable ice, values convenience, and wants a stylish, reliable appliance. With 44 pounds of ice daily, a self-cleaning function, and a 12-hour timer, it delivers unmatched performance for homes, offices, or parties. The stainless steel design is both durable and chic, while the quiet operation ensures it won't disrupt your space. Whether you're a cocktail connoisseur, an ice-chewing enthusiast, or a busy host, this machine elevates every moment. Don't let warm drinks or ice shortages ruin your next event. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home the Totnz Nugget Ice Maker today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.